Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we will talk about a new effect in Adobe Illustrator. It's very easy. I'm talking about convert to shape effect. So let's start. This effect is used for converting any text for a shape, like this. I will make an text and I can open effect menu, convert to shape, and I can convert it to rectangle, rounded rectangle and ellipse. To use this effect, you should open first appearance window like this and click on add new stroke like this, and now open effect menu from here, choose convert to shape and rectangle, click on preview. Now I have a rectangle in the stroke like this. I can increase the width and the height, and also I can convert it to rounded rectangle or ellipse, and also I can convert it to shape but in the fill. I will make a new fill from here and click on effect menu, convert to shape rectangle like this. I will change the color and swipe it down and the character in the top like this. That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.